Good afternoon, everyone. Yes, daily Sudoku practice continues. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Sunday, June the 22nd, June the Sunday, June the 23rd, 2024. We have here a puzzle page with extra puzzles, but first the two regular puzzles. We have two regular puzzles, the medium Sudoku. I will solve this in a minute. And we have the samurai Sudoku. I will solve this tomorrow evening. And the puzzle page, let me show you. We have 6 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. We have a 2 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, the killer Sudoku, 2 binaries, 1 with 3 stars, 1 with 4 stars, and the jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. Tomorrow afternoon we have a puzzle page with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. The letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve tomorrow afternoon. But first, let me solve this one. The regular puzzle. 3 stars, medium Sudoku, number 8768. 8768. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 28 printed digits. Well, a 3-star Sudoku has always 25 printed digits. This one has 3 digits more. Should be a 0 stars. 0 stars puzzle. I need to be faster than 30 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. All right. Question is this a 3 stars or a 0 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me start with 4. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column, so the fifth column. The only place left for the 4 is should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column. 4 in the last column, so the column between, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the last row, 4 in that row, so in the row between, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 4. 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above, so in that row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between, the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 in that row, no 6 there, so the only place left for the 6 should be there. Then, let me see, 3, 3. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. No, I cannot continue with the 3 now. Well. 2 numbers left in this big square. For number 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. How about these 3 missing numbers? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and 8, 9 is missing, 2, 6, 9, 2, 6, 9, 2, 6, 9, 2, 6, 9, and look, this box can be a 2, this box can be 6, so the 2 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as appear. 2 and 6, 2 and 6, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here, 2 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 9. 9, okay. 9 and the 1 is missing here. Okay. Then let me see. 5 in this row, 5 in that row, so the row between the middle row. The only place left for the 5 is should be there. 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number 1. Then 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. On the last column, the only 3 places left for 9 should be here, here, or there. We have a 9 in this row. Last row, no 9 there. 9 in the row above, no 9 there. Only place left for the 9 should be there. Need a 1 here. Need a 5 here. Need a 6 there. 178. 178. Well, 1188 in the 7. Okay. 7 7 7 5 6. Need a 9 here. 9 9. 9 9. Yes, 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And all the 9s are used. I can't see digit number 2, number 9. Okay, and now let me see the 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row, so the first row. Only place left the 2 should be there. 2 2 4 8. Need an 8 here. Let me see. Need a 5 here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the second row, no 5 in these 2 boxes. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 5. Okay. 1 box left in the first row for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing here. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in the middle column. For numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square, other numbers, the 1 is missing. 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and a 2. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left in the second row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing here. 6 in the first column. 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 6. Could be here, could be there. 1, 3, no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 7, 8. 1, 7, 8. Here, these 3 missing numbers should be 1, 7, and 8. Okay. Let me see. 9, 9, 4. I need a 5 here. I need a 5 there also. I need a 2. 2, yeah. 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 in the third column, no 2 in those 2 boxes. The 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column, 2 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in the middle row. For numbers 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. 1 digit left in this big square. For number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3, oh, we have a 3, 7 and 3 here. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left is 7 should be there. Almost finished. 9 minutes, okay. 7. 2 numbers left in this big square. For number 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. So 2 numbers left in the last column. For number 1, 2 is missing, 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there, 2 should be here, 8 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes early with the 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there, 2 should be here. Need an 8 here. Okay, how about here? These 2 missing numbers in this row. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing, 5 and the 6. 5 and the 6, we have a 5 in the third column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 6 goes there. So we have 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 7 is missing, 6 and the 7, 6 and 7. We have 6 in the third, last row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last row. For numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and 8, we have a 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. So 2 numbers left here, the 7 and 8. We have an 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 7 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square, the same numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 8 is missing, 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes at there. 11 minutes. We sew it again. And I like this one. Yes, so we do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. And you can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with other puzzles. 0 stars puzzle is this one. Bye bye for now.